we were actually shocked to see this such a gross violation that is being committed on Kalamut, very close to my place. This is a very important shrub. This is known as jeel, and आमी तेका कितें म्हणटा लिंगोड म्हणटा आमी तेका. And this is one of the plant that holds that sand dune. It protects the sand dune. आता पयशे जाल्यार तुमी सगळ्या दर्याचेर जर पळय sand dune आसा थंयसर ते जिली जाल्या ताचेर वयल्यान. And not only that, this is a protected species which is medicinal. What I know of, at least 2 companies from Chennai is actually making cough syrup for cold from this very plant. Also, this medicine is being used for women's menstrual cycles, for issues with that. This is a medicinal plant. आणि अशे हे बाबतीन त्यांनी अशें कातरून उडयलां आनी दे आर गिविंग सम सिली रिजन्स. It is not acceptable, and as the biodiversity committee, on behalf of the biodiversity committee, we strongly condemn such an act, and we want this guy, whoever has done this violation, that he restores this entire area back to what it was, and we are also willing to help to even plant more of this.
आमच्या प्रेसिडेंटान आनी आमी कंप्लेन केलेले आनी आमकां हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डरीन ते बंद जालेले. आतां परत जाला इतले वेजिटेशन कातरप. इट्स नॉट अ 1 days थिंग. हें खूब दीस जाले आसतलें कातरलेलें आहा आनी मागता आमच्या लोकल ऑथॉरिटींकूय हेचेर घेवचें, कित्याक लोकल ऑथॉरिटी आतां न्यू स्ट्रेन काडला फकत लोकलांक कोटा करपाक. बट असले दिल्लीवाले भायले पळय आहा तेंचेर कसलेंच एक्शन जायना.